Hey everybody, this is just a real quick one, what to do with a broken light bulb. Okay, this one came out of my son's Lizard's basking light, and what happened was it fell, and when it did, it popped away. This was laying out somewhere. Well, anyways, this was still in the light socket. Well, a real quick, easy way to do this is to go ahead, if you have to, make sure you, safety precautions as usual, people, disconnect the power, shut off the power, all the other stuff going in there, making sure that you don't get electrocuted. Safety first, kids. But anyways, what you do is you take this, take a set of pliers or whatever, if you got needle nose, what have you, and put it in there and just kind of wedge it in there a little bit. Not jam it, but just enough where you can pry, use a little bit of your own hand strength, and then just slowly work it out, and it'll come right out of that socket. I know that if, like, on some of the old light bulbs, they have the potato method and stuff like that. Well, if it busts away like this, a lot of people panic and go, well, that's it, I can't do nothing. Like I said, just go ahead, put it in, and see how it charts. Alright, well, that's another how-to DIY helpful thing from me. Have a great day. Thank you for shopping.